didn't just happen. Please tell me that didn't happen.
What happened?
Where are we? We're lost. There's no way out. We're stuck in the middle of nowhere with SpongeBob and Patrick. Oh, why must every 11 minutes of my life be filled with misery? Why?
Oh, cheer up, Squid. It could be worse.
Yeah, you could be bald and have a big nose.
Well, this is the end.
No, it's not, Squidward.
It's not?
Come on, guys. We're gonna be fine. As long as we stick together. Remember, we're a club. And besides, we have this.
What's that?
Oh, the magic conch shell! Ask it something, ask it something!
Magic conch shell? Will I ever get married?
Maybe someday.
Oh, he's SpongeBob.
You've got to be kidding! That is just a stupid toy! How can that possibly help us?
Squidward, we must never question the wisdom of the magic conch. The club always takes its advice before we do anything.
The shell knows all!
Oh, magic conch shell, what do we need to do to get out of the kelp forest?
Nothing.
The shell has spoken!
Nothing. We can't just sit here and do nothing. I can't believe you two are going to take advice from a toy. All right. I don't need your help. I am going to find my way back to sanity. But don't you two sad clowns come crying to me when your circus tent comes crashing down. Sad clowns. Sad clowns. What was that? I was already here. Which way do I go? I'm lost. Oh, I'm hopelessly lost. I'll never get out of here. Huh? I'm free! Take that, SpongeBob and Patrick! There's no way out of here. How's it going over there at Club Shell for Brains? I am hungry. I wonder what's on the menu for Club Squidward tonight. Doesn't that smell good, SpongeBob? You haven't eaten in days. What about you, Patrick? A big boy's gotta eat. Well, you can't have any. And do you know why, SpongeBob? Because your club president is a shell. If you had listened to me, you'd have food, shelter, and a roaring fire. But instead, you listen to a talking clam. That tells you nothing. As if the answers to all your problems will fall right out of the sky. Fall right out of the sky.
Dude, we're falling right out of the sky! We gotta drop the load!
Praise the magic conch!
Oh!